কাজের ফাঁকে একটু সময় পেয়ে আজ চলে গেলাম লালবাগ বোটানিক্যাল গার্ডেন। শেয়ার করে নিচ্ছি তারই কিছু মুহূর্ত। হ্যাঁ, ওরা পুরো ইয়ে করছিল, জেনে ঢুকলো ওদের বাসটা, পুরো লাফালাফি করা শুরু করে দিয়েছে। সুইট বাচ্চাগুলো, মিষ্টি মিষ্টি সবকটা বাচ্চা কি সুইট।
বসে খাওয়া দাওয়া করবে
আমাদের গাইড বেশ সুন্দর বোঝাচ্ছে।
40 acres private garden start and created by only rose garden. You know, rose color is a red. Lal means is a Hindi word. Lal means is a red and Bagh means it's a park. I mean red park. Red park means Lal Bagh. And then after British time, British people, Jan Cameron, that person, this park built by 144 acres botanical garden created for public. And finally Mysore King, J. Chamarajendra Odiyar, that person, this park built by total 240 acres land. Now this park handover Karnataka government horticulture department. It's a basic information for Lal Bagh. At present Lal Bagh total 240 acres land and 4 gates available this park, and it's a 40 minutes old round and 2 places normally we stop. Lake in Glazos 5 minutes, old round 40 minutes. Okay, 20 gate charge. I will explain everything. See right side, it's a pigeon house, more than 200 years old pigeon house. You know, that time no telephone, no telegram, no email, sending the messages here to Mysore. Same pigeon house is Mysuru Srirangapattanam still now. 134 kilometer pigeons carry the messages that time. Yeah, same pigeon house is Mysuru Srirangapattanam still now. And this vehicle starting point, gate number 2, double road gate, east gate, straight way, gate number 3, exit, south gate, Siddhapura gate, another gateway exit, straight way. And see left side, it's all our Karnataka horticulture department meeting hall. Everyone, see left side, it's all our palm trees, you know, oil, palm oil. It's a show palm, sir. Totally 10-15 varieties palm trees. It's a different one, Bismarckia palm. Common name is Bismarckia palm. Botanical name is Bismarckia palm. Common name is fan palm tree. Every tree has a two name, common name and botanical name. Everyone commonly find out only common name. Botanical name find out only botanical students. Fruits, green color. And okay, everyone, see left side, 2 big trees. It's a white silk cotton trees, more than 100 years old cotton trees. This cotton used only for pillows, bed, bedsheets only.
Cotton trees go so big. My God.
White silk cotton trees, it's a more than 100 years old. इसको हिंदी में कपास रुई बोलता है. White silk cotton tree, sir. Botanical name is Bombyx.
Cotton trees are small for them. Easier to
It's a white silk cotton tree. This cotton is only for pillows, bed, bedsheets only, sir. And okay, everyone, see straight front one. It's a glass house, Sheesh Mahal. January 26th or August 15th. That time will be very big flower show inside. 10 days. January 10 days flower show and August 10 days flower show inside. It's a British time glass house built by British people. December 16, 1889, this glass house inauguration. Same glass house is England, Crystal Palace, Queen Garden. Same glass house is there. Same built by both time, 18. Flower show, but it's closed flower show. Flower show and closed flower show. It's an Australian Christmas tree, 164 feet height, more than 170 years old. Tallest one in Bangalore, middle one left side. Tall tree in Bangalore, middle one side, left side. This left side. And okay, see right side, it's a police bench stand, January and August month, Saturday, Sunday, morning 6 to 8, police practice here, police bench stand, parade practice place.
Different types.
Ma'am, it's total gardeners. Yeah. And okay, see left side, this fruits, it's a elephant apple. इसको बंगाल में चलता, उड़ीसा में आओ, असम में उटेंगा बोलता है. हाँ, इसमें पिकल बनाते हैं, पिकल. चलता, बंगाल में चलता, उड़ीसा में आओ, असम में उटेंगा बोलता
ওটা
है.
আমাদের চালতা তোলা
মাঝে একটা লেক, বেশ কিছু ছবি তুলে নিলাম। সবুজের মধ্যে দিয়ে চলেছিল আমাদের গাড়ি, আর আমাদের গাইড দিব্য সুন্দর সব ঐতিহাসিক বা হিস্টোরিক্যাল যে স্টোরিজগুলো বা ঘটনাগুলো বা ফ্যাক্টসগুলো সেগুলো বলছিল, এবং বিভিন্ন গাছের নাম, ওয়াটার হারভেস্টিং সিস্টেম, নানা রকম কিছু বলতে বলতে যাচ্ছিল। সময়টা বেশ ভালো কাটছিল। সব মিলিয়ে সকালটা বেশ সুন্দর কাটলো। তোমরাও জানাতে ভুলো না তোমাদের কেমন লাগলো এই ভ্লগ।